How to book flight tickets online on booking.com. First, you want to sign into your account, and here at the top you will see stays, and you have the option for flights and flight plus hotel. So let's say that we want to book just flight tickets here. So click on flights, and it's going to take us to a new page. First, you will need to put the airport which you will be flying from, and where do you want to go. Let's say that we want to go to Thailand. So let's do Bangkok here, and you will also need to set the date. So we will do this in September, and also the first time you click is going to be the takeoff day, and the next time you click off is going to be your return date, much like the hotel booking process. So here you have the option for round trip, one way, multi-city, economy, and direct flights only. So I'm just going to toggle this. Actually, in my case, it's not going to be available, but you will click on search. And here it's going to tell us that it's looking for flexible ticket options. So just give it some time. It's going to go through the different providers here. So just give it some time to load. It's a little bit slow because it's taking in all of the information. And here's the flight itself. So for example, you can choose whichever ticket you want. Let's say that we want to travel on these dates. So just change the dates. It also gives you different options for the different flights. And if you want to book a flight directly through Booking, just give it some time here to load. Okay, so if you want to book a flight, you'll click on View Details. It's going to show you some more information as to where it's flying from and to. And if you want to book the flight, you'll click on Select here. It's going to load up some more information. You can choose your fare, and then you click on Continue, and you can book your ticket that way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.